How to make Truecaller as default messaging app. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can make Truecaller as default messaging app. Okay, so guys, if you want to use Truecaller as default messaging app, okay, so if you don't want to use this messaging and if you want to use Truecaller as your default messaging app, then how it is possible and how you can set this setting in this video we are going to discuss about it. So just watch this video and guys, make your Truecaller as default messaging app. Okay, and guys, before proceeding further, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest update. So now let's begin the tutorial. So at the first guys, we have to go to our Truecaller. Okay, we have to go to Truecaller and then click on the three dots, click on the setting, and then guys you have to go to messaging. Okay, go to messaging and you have to click here, make Truecaller as default SMS app. Okay, you have to click here. So click here on make Truecaller as default SMS app. So you need to give permission, yes, change SMS app. Now Truecaller is your default SMS app and that's it. Okay, so guys, this is very easy. The setting is very easy, but guys, some people used to get problems, okay, because they don't know from where from where they can make their Truecaller as default messaging app. So this is the way you can make it. So if you want to use Truecaller as default messaging app, just enable that setting, you can use it. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.